Pizza Tortellini on the Blackstone. It's quick, it's easy, and let's find out if it's kid friendly. Let's get started. Throwing down our ground beef. And do some salt, pepper, garlic. Now that this is just about done, side and throw on our pepperoni. Let's lay down our pepperoni. The kids like a lot of pepperoni, so I'm gonna put on just enough. What do you think? It's pretty quick for the pepperoni to cook up. In the meantime, while we're waiting for this, let's turn this down a little bit. Let's get we're gonna put mushrooms, and let's get our cheese. I'm gonna chop up some mushrooms. My son loves mushrooms, so we're gonna throw those in there. A couple more. Alright, that should be good. Gonna grate up some mozzarella cheese. When you grate up cheese, it melts easier and melts better. So I like grating it myself, and then we're gonna finish it off with some Parmesan also. I think this is enough, but we'll see. All right, time to throw down our tortellini. Steam it with some water. Let it soften. Let's put some garlic into our ground beef. Throw a little bit of garlic into the ground beef. Throw down our mushrooms. Let our mushrooms cook down a little bit. I wonder what else we could put on here. We're making it like a pizza. Whatever toppings that you think. I was gonna put some salami, but I decided to put some pepperoni. My son loves mushrooms. Now we're gonna take everything, throw it together. You can use any marinara sauce. My wife makes homemade sauce, so we're gonna just drizzle some of this in there. I just mix this all up with the pepperoni. And our tortellini should be just about that. Let that cook up for just a couple minutes. Let's give our tortellinis a lick. Oh man, that looks good. This one's just about ready. Now we're just gonna add everything all together. Give it a really good mix. You wanna get everything all mixed up. Let's pick out some of the pepperonis to show on the top. Now it's time for the cheese. Sprinkling in our mozzarella cheese. We're going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of basil, And bam, you have pizza tortellini in 20 minutes. And this is how you make pizza tortellini on the Blackstone. Let's see the moment of truth. Let's see if it's kid-friendly. Cheers. That's good. We got a thumbs up. If you like this and you want more kid-friendly meals, hit the subscribe and let's go. That's good.